Understanding the phrase, draw a silhouette. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, draw a silhouette. This phrase might seem simple at first, but it's packed with interesting nuances and history. So, whether you're an English learner or just curious about language, this video is for you. The phrase, draw a silhouette, has a literal and a figurative meaning. Literally, it means to create an outline or a shadowed image of someone or something, usually in profile, with the inside filled in. It's like drawing a shadow. Figuratively, it can mean to describe or outline something in a very basic, minimal way, without going into detail. Interestingly, the word silhouette comes from the name of Étienne de Silhouette, an 18th-century French finance minister known for his cheapness. Initially, creating silhouettes was a low-cost alternative to other forms of portraiture. This historical context adds a layer of meaning to our phrase, suggesting simplicity and cost-effectiveness. Let's see how this phrase works in actual sentences. 1. The artist decided to draw a silhouette of the famous actor, capturing his iconic profile. 2. In the meeting, we only had time to draw a silhouette of the project plan, leaving the details for later. When using draw a silhouette, remember it's not just about literal drawing. Avoid using it to mean detailed descriptions or comprehensive plans. It's about capturing the essence or the very basic outline of something. And there you have it. Draw a silhouette is a phrase rich in history and meaning, perfect for adding depth to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been illuminating and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and see you in the next one.